Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mund and I am the subject matter expert in mathematics. Today I will teach you about Vedic maths multiplication, how to multiply numbers using Vedic maths sutras. I will apply one of the sutras of Vedic mathematics, that is vertically and crosswise. Let's get started. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Then we will start. How to multiply numbers using Vedic maths. In conventional maths, we multiply the numbers from right to left, that is starting from unit place, then tens place and so on. But in Vedic maths, we multiply numbers from left to right, and it is faster than right to left also. We can calculate it mentally without pen and paper. We apply the sutra vertically and crosswise while multiplication. Let's take some examples. Now we will learn about multiplication of two-digit number by one-digit number. How to multiply two-digit number with one-digit number in Vedic mathematics. Now we will multiply the number 79 by 4. First we multiply this number using conventional maths, then we multiply the same number using Vedic maths. In conventional maths, we multiply the numbers from right to left. Here unit digit is 9, so we multiply the unit digit 9 with 4. 4 multiplied by 9 is 36. Then we go to tens place. Here tens place digit is 7. 4 multiplied by 7 we get 28. Then we add this carryover 3 with 28. 28 plus 3 we get 31. Write down 31, 3, 1 and 6. We get the answer 316. Then we multiply the same number using Vedic maths. In Vedic maths, we multiply the numbers from left to right, that is starting from tens place. Then we go to unit place. Here tens place digit is 7. First we multiply 4 with 7. 4 multiplied by 7 we get 28. Write down 28 in your head. Just remember we get the number 28. Then we go to unit place. 4 multiplied by 9. 4 multiplied by 9 is 36. And here we get the number 3 is the carryover. So we add this carryover 3 with 28. We add 28 with 3. We get the number 31. And then write down the unit digit 6. We get the number 316. So our answer is 316. In both cases, in conventional maths we get the answer 316, and in Vedic maths also we get the same number 316. But in Vedic maths we multiply the numbers from left to right, that is very faster than the conventional maths. As we multiply this number mentally and we keep this number in our head, and then we take the carryover and add this carryover with the tens place digit. That is very easy than the conventional maths. As without pen and paper we can do this multiplication mentally. So it is faster than the conventional maths, that is right to left. So you apply this Vedic method multiplication for faster result. Now we will learn about multiplication of two-digit number with two-digit number. How we will multiply two-digit number with two-digit number using Vedic maths. We apply the sutra vertically and crosswise. How we will apply the sutra vertically and crosswise in Vedic maths multiplication? Let's see. Now we will multiply 72 by 89. Here 72 is a 2-digit number and 89 also a 2-digit number. In Vedic maths, we apply the sutra vertically and crosswise. First we apply vertically. 7 multiplied by 8. We multiply tens place digit 7 and 8. That is vertically 7 multiplied by 8. We get 56. Write down 56. Then we apply crosswise, crisscross. That is we multiply 7 with 9 and 8 with 2. 7 multiplied by 9 we get 63 and 2 multiplied by 8 we get 16. 63 plus 16 we get 79. Then we apply vertically. Again vertically as unit digit is also here. So we apply vertically 2 multiplied by 9. 2 multiplied by 9 we get 18. Write down 18 here. Here 7 is the carryover in 79 and 1 is also carryover in 18. Now add this 7 with 6. 6 plus 7. Then add this carryover 1 with 9. 9 plus 1. 6 plus 7 we get 13 and 9 plus 1 we get 10. Write down 5 and this in 13 1 is the carryover. So we add this carryover 1 with 5. 5 plus 1 and here 10. 1 is also a carryover. Now add 3 with 1. 3 plus 1. Now we get 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 0 and 8. We get the number 6408. 6408. In Vedic maths, we apply the sutra vertically and crosswise. We first multiply the tens place digit, then we go to tens place with unit place digit of second number, then multiply unit place digit of first number with tens place digit of second number. 7, 9, 8, 2. Just write down this number and add this number. Then we go to unit place. We multiply this number vertically. 2 and 9. Write down the number. Then if there is carryover, just add the carryover with the digit and we get the number. This is very simple and this is very easy than the conventional math. As we multiply the numbers from left digit, then multiply crosswise, then again we multiply vertically. This is very easy and this is very faster than the conventional math. Let's know about multiplication of 3-digit number by 3-digit number. How to multiply 3-digit number by 3-digit number using Vedic maths? We apply the sutra vertically and crosswise. How we apply this sutra vertically and crosswise in 3-digit multiplication? Let's see. Now we will multiply 322 by 532. This is a 3-digit number. How we will apply the sutra vertically and crosswise in 3-digit multiplication? Let's see. Now we apply the sutra vertically and crosswise in 3-digit multiplication. First we multiply 100 place digit. Here 3 is in 100 place and 5 is also in 100 place. So we first multiply 3 and 5 vertically. 3 multiplied by 5 we get 15. Write down 15. Now we apply the sutra crosswise, vertically crosswise That is, we multiply 100 place digit, this 100 place digit with tens place digit of second number, crisscross multiplication, and multiply 100 place digit of second number with tens place digit of first number. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, and 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. 9 plus 10 we get the number 19. Then we multiply this 3-digit multiplication using vertically crosswise, that is 100 plus multiply 100 plus digit with unit place digit and tens place digit of first number with tens place digit of second number and unit place digit of first number, multiply unit place digit of first number with 100 place digit of second number. We get 3 multiplied by 2, 6, and 2 multiplied by 3 also 6, and 5 multiplied by 2 we get 10. 6 plus 6 plus 10. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 10 is 22. We get the number 22. So write down 22. Now we multiply the number 2 to 32. That is tens place digit of first number with unit place digit of second number and multiply tens place digit of second number with unit place digit of first number. We get 2 multiplied by 2, 4, and 3 multiplied by 2, 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. That is crisscross multiplication. Write down 10. Then we multiply unit place digit. Here unit place digits are 2 and 2. Multiply this number 2 and 2 vertically. 2 multiplied by 2 we get 4. Write down 4. Now write down all the numbers that we got before in partwise. That is, we multiplied 3 and 5 and we got 15. Write down 15 here. And we multiplied before 3 to 5 3. Crisscross multiplication and we got the number 19 before. Write down here 19. Here 1 is the carryover. And multiplied 3 2 2 and 5 3 2. 3 multiplied by 2 and 5 multiplied by 2. We multiplied before 3 2 5 2 and 2 3. We got the number 22. Here 22 is the carryover in 22. And we multiplied 2 2 3 2. 2 multiplied by 2 and 3 multiplied by 2. Before we got the number is 10. Write down 10 here. And we multiplied before 2 2. Vertically we got the number 4. Now we add the carryover with the digit 5. 5 plus 1 is 5 plus 1. Then we add the carryover 2 with 9. 9 plus 2. Then we add the carryover 1 with 2. 2 plus 1. Then write down 0 and 4. Now write down 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. and 9 plus 2 is 11. Here 1 is the carryover in 11. And write down 2 plus 1 is 3 and this 0 and write down 4. Now we add carryover 1 with 6. 6 plus 1. We get the number 1. This one write down here. 6 plus 1 is 7. Write down 7. Then write down 1. Then 3. 0. Write down 0. And write down 4. Now you get the number 1,71,304. When we multiplied 322 with 532, we get the number 1,71,304. We apply the sutra vertically and crosswise of Vedic mathematics in 3-digit multiplication. Now do some practice questions. Multiply the number using vertically and crosswise sutras of Vedic mathematics. Multiply 32 with 29, 77 multiplied by 89, 263 multiplied by 423 and 189 multiplied by 252. If you like this video, please click the like button, subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends. Do not forget to slap the bell button for more videos. If you stuck in any steps, then you can write in comment section. I will reply. Thank you.